This is Nurula, hard at work trying to open a wardrobe, which the key of has been broken, and here is Nandu trying to help him to try and open this closet door. I don't know how we're going to do it, but I hope we can manage. So here we go. I don't know exactly what is going on, but we will take a look. A closer look here at how to open a wardrobe door in which the lock has been broken. So here we go with a screwdriver. And now I believe he is forcing open the door, or at least trying to get the lock out. Not quite sure.
Hello.
Okay, we'll take a little break now and come back to you later.